Hello, great morning, my dear friends. I am Prashant Raut from Devgad College, Devgad. Today, we are going to discuss the first process of communication in business communication. As during the last lecture, we have seen what is communication. Communication means to transmit the ideas, to make common, maybe emotion, maybe thoughts, maybe opinions, maybe instructions, whatever it may be. How does communication take place within the individuals, within two people, within the society? Today we are going to discuss the process of communication. The way we express our thoughts, emotions, love, hatred, and the way we receive the same thing. These are the technical parts in the process of communication. This is also known as the cycle of communication. And there are some ingredient parts, unavoidable parts, indispensable part. The word indispensably means without which, the word indispensable means unavoidable. Okay? There are some unavoidable parts in the process of communication. They are going to play their respective roles in the entire cycle of communication. Today we are going to discuss these indispensable parts or foundations of communication. The first is the sender and receiver. The sender means the man or the individual who sends the message, and the next one is receiver who receives the message and understands it. Who is the sender? Sender who sends the message. And there must be the receiver to receive this message and understand this message. Just watch the photos or images on the screen. These are the people who are going to discuss. One is going to send the message, another is going to receive, then he is going to reply, whatever it may be, the entire process. When sender sends the message, the receiver must receive it. There is photo of returned letter, returned to sender, because the receiver has not received the letter. And that is why it is not communication. This is no communication. Do you understand? Suppose you are going to send the message on the Mars, मंगळावर तुम्ही मेसेज पाठवून देताय, on the moon, and though there is nobody to receive it and understand it. This is not communication at all. And that's why while introducing what is communication, I have explained you. When you look at the moon, the sun, the stars, the Venus, शुक्राच्या चांदणीकडे बघून तुम्ही काहीतरी गुणगुणता आणि तिला काहीतरी बोलता. This is not communication. Because the moon, the stars, the sun and the Venus won't understand it. So there must be sender and there must be receiver. These are unavoidable, indispensable parts or foundations in the process of communication. Okay? Is it clear? The next one is sender sends the message and receiver receives it. What is the message? The message means experience, the views, likeness, dislikeness, love, hatred, emotions are there, thoughts are there, some instructions are there, opinions, suggestions, blah, 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 blah. Number of things are there. The sender sends this message. Okay? Message must be there. Without message, there cannot be communication. I have given the list of these messages: experience, views, likeness, dislike, etc., etc. Does it mean that without message, without something very serious, we do not communicate? No. Early in the morning, when your mom wakes you up, you simply laugh at her. Why? You are going to share your existence, existence. तुम्ही तुमचं अस्तित्व एकमेकाशी शेअर करता. When you meet your dearest friend, hello, hi. Why? Hello and hi. We are going to share. And this is the message. Man is not a machine. Man is not a machine. He has emotions. Heart is there. And so, there are emotional responses. These are also included in this term message. Okay? Message must be there. And message is sent by the sender. Clear? The receiver is waiting to receive it. Then takes place another thing. The message is converted into a code language. A message is converted into code language. What is coding? There are number of words. These are symbols. Just for example, there is chalk. What is chalk? Khadu. Do you mean that the sound pattern khadu or chalk means the object? No. This is the common understanding between you and me that this object मी ज्याच्यावर फळ्यावर लिहितो आहे याला खडू म्हणायचं किंवा त्याला काय म्हणायचं चॉक म्हणायचं मग या वस्तूला खडू किंवा चॉक म्हणतात किंवा सपोज आय एम गोइंग टू राईट इट डाऊन ऑन द ब्लॅकबोर्ड CHALK याला काय म्हणायचं तर याला हे म्हणायचं हे कोड लँग्वेजमध्ये आहे ओके हे कोड लँग्वेजमध्ये आहे या कोड लँग्वेजमध्ये आपल्याला जे म्हणायचं आहे ते साऊंड पॅटर्न्समध्ये आहे दिस इज द फर्स्ट वन व्हर्बल क्लिअर यू नो द बेसिक डिफरन्स बिटवीन गॉड अँड डॉग दीज आर द साऊंड पॅटर्न्स एका समोर नतमस्तक होतो दुसऱ्याला लाथ घालतो क्लिअर दीज आर द स्पोकन वर्ड्स these spoken words are converted into the script it is known as written word so there are songs and lyrics these are the verbal things ज्याच्यामध्ये असं आहे तसं आहे मला जे काय म्हणायचं आहे आय एम गोइंग टू यूज सर्टन लँग्वेज दिस मे बी इंग्लिश मराठी कोकणी हिंदी नंबर thousands of languages are there these are verbal patterns okay I am going to convert my idea into these verbal patterns into language while discussing the types of encoding or methods of communication we are going to discuss the same pattern again okay next one there are graphic pictures are there drawings are there charts are there are hundreds of traffic symbols signs are there थांबा वाट बघा गाडी शिस्तीत चालवा चहाची वेळ आहे स्पीड ब्रेकर all these messages are given through these graphics pictures drawings charts this is encoding the message whenever you enter into any bank or public places or government offices there is the board एक सिगारेट असते आणि त्याच्यावर गुंडली आहे याचा अर्थ काय what does it mean don't smoke smoking is prohibited in this area it is offense isn't it these are the paintings drawings some charts are there where a lot of message is encoded this is important thing encoding message is important thing there are musical instrumentation voices are there through it is presented animations are there actions motion pace speed shape form and even in the process of encoding there are non-verbal means of communication non-verbal means of communication means suppose I am in the classroom and you are going to attend the same lecture I ask you the question do you understand then you simply nod 120 students do not stand up on their chairs or in their benches and reply me yes sir मला समजलं प्रत्येक जण म्हणते का नाही डोळ्याने तुम्ही सांगता that you have understood your body language tells me that yes you have understood or your body language also tells me that you have not understood these are the ways your thoughts your opinions your views your message is encoded in some symbols this is called encoding messages we are going to discuss all in detail afterwards next one these messages are transmitted from one person to another through media some means what are the medias I am going to deliver the lecture you are 120 students sitting in the classroom it is through the medium of my speech my oral language my sound patterns you are going to receive it now due to the corona pandemic you are sitting in your houses and I am going to deliver my lecture the same lecture through the medium of YouTube channel internet is there so I may send the message in the form of sound pattern I may send you the same message in the form of a written language that is kabutar ja 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 that is the letter you will receive I may use even the telephone I may use various kind of social medias that there number of ways are there through which we can communicate sender may send the message to the receiver is it clear very simple one then the problem comes there, decoding messages. This is very important or very crucial moment. When the message, emotions are encoded, the coding language आहे. You must understand what the exact meaning it is. हे समजलं पाहिजे. त्याचा नेमका अर्थ काय, यू मस्ट अंडरस्टँड. इफ आय आस्क यू द क्वेश्चन, अरे वा मासे खूप छान आहेत, कुठल्या भावानं आणले? मोठ्या भावानं आणले. नाही कसे आणले? काही नाही, सायकलवरून घेऊन आणले. आय एम गोइंग टू आस्क यू द क्वेश्चन, आय एम एनकोडिंग सम एन्क्वायरी, व्हॉट इज द रेट, अँड दॅट इज वाय आय हॅव आस्क यू द क्वेश्चन, कुठल्या भावाने आणले, भाव काय, व्हॉट इज द रेट. यू हॅव आस्क्ड हिम, यू आर रिप्लाइड मी, मोठ्या भावानं आणले. मग तुम्हाला समजावं म्हणून आय हॅव चेंज द प्रोसेस ऑफ एनकोडिंग अँड आय आस्क यू कसे आणले, यू रिप्लाय मी सायकलने आणले. एक्झॅक्ट मिनिंग मस्ट बी डिकोड, कोडिंग मस्ट बी डिकोडेड अँड द राईट मिनिंग शुड बी देअर. ओके, सो यू माइट हॅव अंडरस्टूड माय पॉईंट. जेव्हा आपण एनकोड करत असतो, वी मस्ट बी कॉशियस दॅट एक्झॅक्ट मिनिंग मस्ट बी देअर, not other meaning is there. One of my dearest friend received the mobile call from his girlfriend. She was celebrating her birthday, वाढदिवस होता. आणि मग यानं विचारलं की माझ्याकडे पैसे नाही, तुला काय देऊ. ती म्हटली की मला रिंग दे, काही नको मला तुझ्याकडून, फक्त रिंग दे. मग माझा मित्र म्हटला देतो, पण तू उचलू नकोस, मोबाईलवर बॅलन्स कमी आहे. लक्षात घ्या, ती कानातली रिंग मागते आणि हा म्हणतोय मोबाईलची रिंग. डिकोडिंग इज व्हेरी क्रुशियल. ओके, ऑल द जोक्स, ऑल द कॉमिक सिच्युएशन्स कम आउट ऑफ द प्रोसेसिंग ऑफ डिकोडिंग. आय वॉन्ट टू से यू समथिंग अँड यू अंडरस्टँड समथिंग डिफरंट. सो फर्स्ट आय शुड बी व्हेरी कॉशियस फॉर द एक्झॅक्ट कोडिंग ऑफ द मेसेज. Then comes here understanding message by a receiver. A receiver understands the message. This is half process. Half of the process is complete here when the exact meaning of the message is received by the sender, by the receiver. Sender sends the message and receiver receives the message. He decodes it and he gets the exact meaning. Clear? Then comes here very important thing, what is feedback. This is half of the process which is completed. Feedback means the receiver is going to give his reply. Now sender becomes receiver and receiver becomes sender. Do you understand it? A sender asks you the question. Do you understand it? I am a sender and you are a receiver. Now you are going to give me reply. Yes, no, समजलं, नाही समजलं, what it may be. When you give me reply, this is called the receiver becomes the sender. This is the opposite thing. A receiver sends the message. What is the message? What is the message? Now message is again there. This message, I have understood it. I am agree with you. I am not at all agree with you. Or I have got some other opinions. Yes, I will carry your, what it may be. This message is again encoded. This encoding process is important. What are generally the encoding messages? Your body language. Just watch these different kinds of photos there. I am agree with you. I am not at all agree with you. I have got some doubts about your point of view. मला फसवत तर नाही ना? In this way, critical analytical look is there. This is nothing but the encoded message in the form of the reply. During the last lecture, I passed the comment and stated that we cannot stop communicating. Communication is a whole process. Our body also participates in it. चेहऱ्यानं आपण होय म्हणतो, पण जेवलाच काय? भरपूर जेवलं, पण आपला चेहरा, आपले डोळे आणि आपला संपूर्ण बॉडी लँग्वेज सांगतं की आय एम हंग्री. तुमचा मित्र खेळता खेळता पडला, त्याला लागलं का? तुम्ही सगळेजण त्याला उठवता आणि विचारता लागलं का? तर तो हसत म्हणतो नाही अजिबात लागलं नाही. बट हिज बॉडी इज गोइंग टू टेल यू दॅट ही इज ब्रुइज्ड, ही इज वुंडेड. These are the encoded messages. the small photo is helpful for you, that only with the help of your hands, fingers, their structures, their designs, we may tell a lot. Am I right? When I ask you the question, do you understand? Anybody? You simply raise your fingers. Which finger? अंगठ्याच्या जवळचं बोट. हे बोट विचारल्यानंतर इट मीन्स दॅट यू वॉन्ट टू आस्क मी सम क्वेश्चन्स, देर आर सम डिफिकल्टीज, यू वॉन्ट टू रिप्लाय माय क्वेश्चन, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. तेच जर दुसरं बोट उभा केलं, इफ समबडी स्टँड्स इन द क्लासरूम आणि करंगळी उभी केली, व्हॉट डज इट मीन? यू नो बेटर. दीज आर द सायन्स. Message is encoded. Encoded message is sent through the medium. Now same process is there. The same process in the form of letter, in the form of phone, using social media, number of ways are there, body language. These are the mediums. These are the means through which message is sent. Next one is, whenever you send the message, it is my duty to decode it. What do you want to mean? तुम्हाला काय म्हणायचं आहे? Now, receiver who sends the message to the sender who has become the receiver, मगाशी मेसेज पाठवणारा आता मेसेज घेणारा आहे. It is his duty to understand the message and it must be exact message. मेसेज जसाच्या तसा तिथं पाहिजे. काय म्हणायचं आहे? Never forget the first definition or first explanation of communication. To make common with. रिसिव्हरला काय म्हणायचं आहे? It must be made common with the sender. Okay? After decoding message, now the sender receives this message after sent by receiver. This is the complete process of communication. Communication cycle requires these ingredients or unavoidable steps and stages. There must be sender. The sender sends the message. What is message? You know better. If you come across any difficulties, simply re-watch the same video. Sender sends the message, there is message is encoded message is sent through the proper medium, and when the receiver receives this message, he decodes it and gets the true meaning accordingly. And then there is receiver. And feedback is nothing but same process. Now receiver is sender, he sends the message or his reply, the reply is encoded reply is sent through the medium. These mediums or means when are received by the receiver, he decodes it, and sender is a receiver. These are these things, and that is why communication is two-way process. This is two-way process. When I send the message and you receive it, this is not. Whether you understood it or not, I must get it. Whenever you are going to occupy very important places in business organization, there will be such kind of situations, and that is why there are generally feedback form. Quickly you are going to fill up the feedback form. What is the effect, positive, negative, neutral effect of my communication? I must understand it. That is why this is two-way process. Simply just take the example. Whenever you enter into any shop and ask for your favorite dress, you are asking what is the price? He tells you the price. Swasta nahi hai ka? Dusra rang nahi hai ka? Then he is going to reply. You are going to re-ask the question. Re-inquiry. And in this way, at last, after a long time, there is settlement of your business. So, these are two-way processes, and communication takes place effectively. What is the importance of feedback? In a short video, we will discuss afterwards. During the next lecture, my dear friends, we will begin with our systematic study, scientific study of this paper. What is communication? There are a number of definitions. While discussing these definitions, we will get glimpses of some features of communication in general. Okay, thank you very much.